5 best work at home for introverts. Unlock the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So, hey guys, and welcome to this video. I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So this is the first one. We have here promos. As you can see, you have here earn money completing tasks, surveys, or taking photos. As you can see, all I have to do is go to Google Play and write promos. We have here the application. All I have to do is install this. We have here earn money completing tasks, surveys, or taking photos. So if we scroll down, we have here other information like how it looks, information here, the application I mean, sorry. And to make money on promos starts by signing up as a contributor on their platform that offers a variety of tasks, often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money. As you type will receive payment upon task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So this is the first one, and let's move on to the next one. We have here Fairpiction. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have here fairpiction.com, and we have other information about this website. So to make money on Fairpiction, all I have to do is start by signing up as a tester on their platform. Fairpiction specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you'll evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to your testing invitations, and deliver high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So this is it for Fairpiction and how it works. All you have to do is to go to fairpiction.com and read more information about how it works, and then you get started with it by clicking over login and you write your personal information, and you get started by earning money with this Fairpiction. So let's move on to the next one. We have Survey Time. So to earn money on Survey Time, you have to start by signing up for an account. You click over here and you write your email address and your password, then you click over start now. You can also use other options like Google or Facebook, and then you will find your account. So after you creation your account on the platform, SurveyTime connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you will receive notifications about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete their surveys honestly and roll it to earn rewards, as SurveyTime offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey time completed. Payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So this is how it works with survey time. Also, we have here other information like why should I use survey time. Then we have here how does work survey time. You can just read to understand. We have here sign up for survey time for free. Just about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. And the last one, start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So that's it for survey time, and let's move on to the next one. We have here PaperThrow. So to make money on PaperThrow, you can start by signing up as a freelancer on their platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you will be able to take on editing assignments where you'll review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their quality, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet the deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how you can earn money on Paper Pro. And let's move on to the next one we have here. It's Metro Opinion. So this is the homepage. All you have to do is dive into metroopinion.com, and this is the website. All you have to do is choose your country first, so you can see. Then this is how it works, how to earn with paid surveys and through easy steps: sign up, answer, get paid. So to earn money on Metro Opinion, start by signing up for an account on their platform, which offers paid survey opportunities. After registration, you will receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money. And Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings. Regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So this is how it works with Metro Opinion. And let's move on to the next one. We have the last one, it's Appen. So to earn money on Appen, begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you will have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. So Appen offers flexible working hours, so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with Appen and also other websites like Metro Opinion and Papertrue, Survey Time, Fairfiction, and the first one we have Promos. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. But before that, all you have to do is read this information to more understand about these websites. We have Fairfiction. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.